Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I am going to tell you how you can easily restore your iPad Pro M5 to the factory settings. Firstly, we need to go to the settings, and now I will show you this with my Apple Pencil. Here, now we have to go to the general. Here in the general, scroll all the way down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPad. Here, erase all content and settings. As you can see, erases iPad. Erasing will sign out of your Apple account and remove your personal data, so this iPad can be safely traded in or given away. The following items will be safely removed from this iPad: apps and data, Apple account, and Find My. If you tap continue, you'll have to enter your passcode, and now here, as you can see, we have to tap erase iPad. And now after this process, you just have to wait a couple minutes. I say maximum 10 minutes, and you should be done. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.